We are going to talk about financial clutter, money clutter today. My husband was sick and I wanted to get him, here we go. So I got him Kroger brand chest rub. The difference with Vicks was $7. So if you went with the name brand of Vicks, it was $7 more. So what I did, I went and back and read the ingredients on this, the Kroger brand, and read the ingredients on the Vicks brand. Guess what? Exact same ingredients. They have been doing a snow job on us. I remember being younger in junior high, especially, you had to have brand name clothes. And my parents were kind of like, yeah, we're not paying that much. And they ended up saying, here's your budget. We'll go shopping with you, but when it's gone, it's gone. But I think it still happens. I see it with my nieces and nephews, right? The brand is so important, and we've kind of have been brainwashed. So I'll tell you, Nestle chocolate chips stink. I bake a lot of chocolate chip cookies and they're good. I'll go with the Kirkland Costco brand any day. Got a big old bag in the freezer because they're not selling them anymore. Just be aware, are you really, is there a difference? I'm sure with some things there definitely is a difference in quality, but a lot of times there isn't. Clear some financial clutter and know that you don't have to get the name brand. Is there a name brand you must use? Or have you found a dupe that you think, hey, it works just as good as the name brand? Let me know.